Instantly turn visitors into customers by showing them what's hot and selling fast in your WooCommerce store. Introducing sales notifications for WooCommerce, an instant way to increase engagement and drive sales. Real-time updates on popular products and sales, build customer confidence, and encourage purchases. Here's how it works. Simply go to your WordPress dashboard. Head to ShopLentor, Settings, then select Module. Enable Sales Notification Module. Select Content Type. Set the position of the sales notification. Also, set the image position. Set the duration for first loading time, notification showing time, and the time interval. Set the limit of notifications to display. Turn the switcher on if you want to display all products from each order, and set the order up to value. You can display or hide the buyer's name from here. Also, display or hide city, state, and country. You can add animations. You can handle the notification width. You can also change the background, heading, content, and cross-icon color. Save settings. Now, visit the store. The notification will appear after the time you saved. Store owners using sales notifications have seen higher engagement and faster sales. It's a simple feature that turns browsing into buying fast. Ready to turn your store visitors into customers? Enable sales notifications today and watch your sales soar.